Let's have a quick look at what Groovy is and how you can test and execute your Groovy scripts using a web console. As you might already know, Exalate uses Groovy scripting to configure its outgoing and incoming sync processes. So it's vital that you have some basic working knowledge of the Groovy script itself to be efficient with Exalate. Groovy is an object-oriented language that is fully compatible with Java syntax. It's essentially a scripting language for the Java virtual machine. The advantage is that it blends seamlessly with a Java code, and you're able to use all the Java libraries, the standard libraries that you get with the JVM. Groovy allows dynamic typing, which essentially means that we do not have to declare the data type for every variable that you use. The interpreter assigns the data types as and when required. Another feature is that the setters and getters are automatically generated at compile time. This stems from the POGO, the plain old Groovy objects. Now, the easiest way to test your Groovy scripts is via the Groovy web console. If you open this link, it will take you to a Groovy web console where you can type your Groovy code and execute it to quickly see what the results are. So let me just type my first line, and once I'm ready to execute it, I can hit the Execute Script button and see what happens. At the bottom, there are 3 tabs called Result, Output, and Stack Trace. The Output tab will produce whatever output your script produces. The Result tab is for when your script is actually returning a value. So for instance, if I was to return 1 pair and execute the script again, this would return a value of 1, whereas the output would be still "Hello World." The stack trace is obviously used when there are some exceptions in the code and you want to see what's going on. You are free to play around with this and test it a little bit. I've added a couple of lines, and let's execute this. Let's take a look at what the output is. And as expected, the new line character has registered, and the tab has registered as well. So as we saw, this is the easiest way to quickly type some Groovy scripts to ensure that they're correct syntactically and semantically.